Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today, let's make a pretty simple recipe. I love making bath salts, although you see my living place usually varies from time to time, so not everywhere where I live I have a bath, although I always do when I'm going to my friends. So today we're gonna make a luxury bath salt. Why I'm calling it luxury bath salts? Because it's gonna give this nice golden color, as well all these great ingredients, and of course this combination of essential oils, which is, I will tell you later, which is what kind of combination of essential oils we're gonna use. Gonna give this luxury, sweet, woody kind of aromas and floral as well, and I hope you're gonna love it too. So, of course, all the bath salts, the main ingredients, as always, I have in here sea salt. I have in here a big bottle, 0.7 liters, so it's a pretty big bottle. The whole recipe you will find in the description box below and adjust it to your own liking. So I have in here sea salt, okay, coursed sea salt. As you see, the sea salt is very good for relaxing, for relaxing your body, so it's the most main ingredient. Then to this, I have in here a pink Himalayan salt as well, which I just gonna now pour it and mix it together with the sea salt. Pink Himalayan salt, it's very good as well. This is a fine coursed salt, and it's gonna give this nice color as well to it. Probably I needed to take a bigger jar. It's fine. I'm gonna use it later on in this different one. We're gonna transfer anyways. So, pink Himalayan salt. Okay, just gonna pour it. Then to this, of course, I'm gonna add extra. This is like, if you don't have it, it's fine, but it's very good to add to your bath salts Epsom salt. Epsom salt helps to relax your muscles. Usually we take baths in evenings, just before the bed, just to completely relax, for the completely relaxation. So the Epsom salt, it's really good if you have any of the muscle pain, after your maybe long walks or workouts or any other. So the Epsom salt, it's very good too. So I have in here some Epsom salt. Okay, trying to mix it in everything. Okay, to this I'm gonna add a little bit, kind of pinch of bicarbonated soda. This is optional as well. If you don't want, you don't have to add. I'm just gonna add a little bit for this kind of foamy, bit this dissolving effect, what the bicarbonated soda does. Okay. So I think I'm just gonna transfer onto this straight away. I just have in here a pot like lid. I want to add everything onto this and just mixing it. What I want to do as well, for the color, I have in here a mineral pigment color. It's like yellow in color. It's amarillo. Okay. Just to give this nice kind of gold color. So let's add this in, and it will have this like kind of a little shyness when the bath salts, it's gonna get into your bath, so it's gonna look very cool and lovely in your bath. A little bit more. This is just literally, check it out what kind of amount you're doing. So the more of the salt you have, the more of the color you can add, up to your own liking. Okay, I'm just gonna go crazy with it. Okay, now to this I have in here a calendula. Dried calendula flowers. As you see, it's a golden color as well, like a dark yellow. Some petals are like brownish or orangey. So I like to get my hands dirty, so I'm just gonna do with my hands. I feel it more. Okay. So just gonna mix in a calendula. Okay. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil, not much, just a little bit. I have in here olive oil. Olive oil, it's yellow in color as you see as well, so it will go very well with this oil luxury golden color and sparkle from the mineral pigment as well. If you wish, you can add literally any other oil. So the oil, what it does to your bath salts, you don't necessarily have to give the oil, but what it does, your bath will leave not so dry, you know, the water will be not so dry. A little bit of oil, what it will do, it will moisturize your skin, you know. So I like to add a little bit of oil to my bath salts. And now just mixing everything. Okay, I love the colors. It's like it really looks luxury golden color. You cannot really smell anything. That's why now we're gonna add essential oils. And this is kind of the main part where we're gonna get this luxury smell. So from essential oil, which I will use, it's gonna be a mixture of Ylang Ylang, yes, my favorite one, and patchouli. I love it, both of them. For me, both of these essential oils, they really make this luxury combination, and I love using them. Again, use it by your own liking, you know. I don't know, I did like about 10 drops of patchouli. Patchouli can be a very strong, you know, and Ylang Ylang has a pretty strong smell as well. So I just dropping here a little bit and now mixing. And when I will mix, I will see how it smells, and I will check, do I need to add something more? I can smell it all straight away. Wow, I love the smell. This Ylang Ylang I have from doTERRA. So doTERRA Ylang Ylang, it has really good, really strong smell. Although I put about 10 drops of patchouli, which patchouli has a really strong smell as well, but I only can smell Ylang Ylang. So what I will do, I'm gonna add another few drops of patchouli to give this kind of more earthy, more woodiness, you know, flavor, smell into this bath salt. Okay, that smells lovely. Try it. If you never tried to use Ylang Ylang and patchouli essential oils together, give it a try for sure. Patchouli on its own, it's bits, you know, you have to mix patchouli with something. And I think Ylang Ylang and patchouli, it's one of the nicest combinations. So yeah, give it a try to patchouli essential oil. And look, lovely. I love the smell. What I'm gonna do now, because I put some essential oils and I put some of the oils, so it's kind of a bit of how to say, bit wet, not too much wet, you know. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave it now for a while, kind of to dry it out. I don't know, maybe for a few hours or half of the day, to dry it out before I transfer everything into my glass jar here, okay? So I see you in a while, and yeah, and then we're gonna transfer it. Welcome back, guys. So it's been a couple hours. This is really dry now. I had it on the sun and the smell is still here. So let's transfer now to the glass bottle. Okay, and this was, look, perfect. Everything went in very well. And that's it, guys. That's your luxury bath salts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a try. Do this Ylang Ylang and Patchouli Essential Oil mixture. And yes, I see you next week. Bye.